Today's video is about B1 English Test, ISE I. The Trinity B1 ISE I is a 4-skills test covering reading, writing, speaking and listening. The test is taken over one full day at an approved Trinity SELT center. The test is used to prove your level of English language proficiency and is required when applying for skilled worker, health and care worker, scale-up worker, student visa. What is a B1 ISE I English test? A B1 English language test is a type of secure English language test, SELT, that is needed for a number of UK visa applications. B1 refers to the level of English you have, as defined by the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR. Guidelines say that someone at the B1 level in English can understand conversations and read text about work, school, and personal related topics, connect phrases in a simple way, in relation to travel, family, or personal interest, write simple text about topics of interest to them such as hobbies, family, and work, describe their experiences, events, dreams, ambitions, and opinions clearly. What are B1 ISE I English tests used for? B1 ISE I English tests are used to assess the level of English proficiency a person has. The level of English language ability needed for a visa application can vary depending on the immigration route. English language test results are needed for the application process for a number of visas, so to find out which level you need, it's best to check the UK government website. You will have to pass a B1 English language test if you are applying for skilled worker visa, health and care worker visa, scale-up worker visa, student visa, although UKVI requires a B1 test. Some institutions require B2. Please check with your sponsor. How can I prepare for a B1 English ISE I test? The B1 ISE I is a 4-skill test covering reading, writing, speaking, and listening. The speaking and listening test is delivered with Trinity examiners remotely via video conference. The writing and reading exam is taken in a room with other candidates taking an ISE exam. If you choose to take your exam in a Trinity SELT center, both exams will be set up for you using a Trinity tablet device for the speaking and listening exam, and pens and paper will be provided for the reading and writing exam by your personal steward. Reading and writing consists of 4 tasks and is 2 hours long. Long reading task, the candidate reads a single text and answers 15 questions. Topics usually covered are travel, money, transport or music. Multi-text reading task, the candidate reads 4 texts and answers 15 questions. Topics covered may include fashion, festivals, special occasions or personal experiences. The test is taken over one full day and is split into 2 parts. Reading and writing consists of 4 tasks and is 2 hours long. Number 1. Long reading task. The candidate reads a single text and answers 15 questions. Topics usually covered are travel, money, transport or music. Number 2. Multi-text reading task. The candidate reads 4 texts and answers 15 questions. Topics covered may include fashion, festivals, special occasions or personal experiences. Number 3. Reading into writing task. The candidate produces a piece of writing based on the 4 selected topics in task 2. Number 4. Extended writing task. The candidate produces a piece of writing in response to a prompt. Topics that could be covered are rules and regulations, health and fitness, entertainment or travel. Speaking and listening consists of 3 tasks and is 18 minutes long. Number 1. Topic, 4 minutes long. You will choose a topic to prepare before the test, for discussion with the examiner. You must complete a topic form in advance and bring it with you to the exam. Number 2. Conversation, 2 minutes long. You will have a short conversation with the examiner about one subject area chosen by the examiner. Number 3. Independent listening, 10 minutes. Candidates will listen to 2 different recordings and answer questions related to each recording. After the first recording, the examiner will ask the candidate 6 questions. After the second recording, the candidate will state 6 facts orally to the examiner, and then the examiner will ask 4 follow-up questions about the content of the recording. In both tasks, the candidate listens to the audio recording twice. What do you need to take a SELT test? If your exam is at a Trinity center, you must do the following in order to take your SELT test. Take proof of identity, ID, to the SELT test center. Please read Trinity's candidate identification and security policy for Trinity SELTS. Remember to bring your topic notes, a diagram, or a mind map, if you have prepared any, to the exam for discussion with the examiner. See Guide for Students, ISE I, SELT. What happens after you've booked your SELT? Once you've booked a SELT test with Trinity, you will receive an email from us with details about your exam. This will include type of test you've booked, time and date of your test, the test center your test will be at when this email comes through. Be sure to check that the details of your exam are correct. If you can't find the email, please check your junk and spam folders. On the day of your SELT exam, if you're taking your SELT exam at a Trinity test center, then it's important to make sure you follow these instructions so that there are no issues on the day of your test. Arrive at the test center at the time given on your email. You will be greeted by your personal steward. Please note that only the candidate can enter the exam center. Family members or other people are not allowed to enter the exam center or wait in the reception area. For more information about what happens on your SELT exam test day, see step-by-step guide to B1 ISE I SELT tests. How long is a B1 ISE I English test valid for? All Trinity certificates are valid for life to be used as evidence of your achievement and performance in a Trinity exam. However, where certificates are used for UK visa or immigration purposes, Trinity has recommended to the UK Home Office that, for security reasons, only certificates less than 2 years old should be accepted. How much does a B1 ISE I English test cost? All Trinity ISE exams cost £180. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.